Hello, this is Eric at Prince George Ford, and we're taking a look at the newly redesigned 2021 Ford F-150 in an XLT trim, and powered by a 2.7-liter V6 EcoBoost engine, providing you with excellent power for towing, hauling, and 4x4ing with some great fuel efficiency, and running boards down below so you can have an easier time getting in. But let's take a look inside. First, looking at the back seat, where you have your rear doors that fold all the way back to be in line with the bed of the truck, giving you easy access to the back seat, where you have seating for 3 that can be lifted up and out of the way to accommodate any other cargo. As well as having 2 cup holders in the middle with a 12-volt power outlet, USB and USB-C, and a 120-volt power outlet. And then looking into the front, you have, this truck does have a remote start, so no need to go outside on those cold mornings to warm up your vehicle. And looking in, you have power windows, power mirrors, and power locks, as well as a partially power adjustable driver's seat. Now sitting in the truck with it running and looking at the steering wheel on the right hand side, you have your controls for your center info screen here, where you can look at your trip and fuel with fuel economy, trip 1 and 2, eco coach, auto start stop status, and your radio station. And then you can look at your truck info, where you have your tire pressures, off-road status, power distribution, engine info, and seat belts. Then you have your towing information, navigation controls, phone controls, audio controls, and settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, as well as having My View, which is a sort of favorite screen for any of those subcategories for ease of access. Then moving on to the left, where you have your cruise controls with your lane keeping system and hands-free phone and radio controls along the bottom. Moving on to your center infotainment screen, which is radio, Sirius, and Bluetooth capable, so you have some options there. Then you have your Bluetooth phone controls, your navigation screen, so you're hopefully not going to get lost, whatever apps you may have installed, settings for your screen, and some other features around your vehicle, and your general truck features such as driver assistance, towing, and owner's manual. Then shifting into reverse, you do have a backup camera, so you're going to be able to see where you're going, and dynamic hitch view, so you can have an easier time hooking up a trailer. Then above your screen, you have your your auto start stop shut off, your camera view again, your hazards, and your traction control shut off. Moving down, you have your media controls and then your climate controls with dual zone front climate, so you can stay at different temperatures. To the left, you have your Pro Trailer backup controller, trailer brake controller, and 4x4 controls with a locking rear differential and your drive mode selector. For normal, tow haul, eco, sport, and then on the opposite end you have slippery, deep snow, sand, and mud ruts, so you can customize your driving experience quite a bit. Moving on to the right, where you have a 12-volt and 120-volt power outlet with this compartment here for more storage above your glove box. Then you have this compartment down here with a USB and USB-C, so you can plug something in from there. Then you have your main shifter with select shift on the side, so you can manually shift through your gears, and can be collapsed, so you have more room here in the middle. You have 2 cup holders and your lockable center compartment / armrest with a removable tray, ton of room inside, and another USB and USB-C. But that should cover our look at the interior. So now if you're interested, feel free to give us a call at 250-563-8111, or just come on down to the dealership and have a look for yourself, and have a nice day.